Hey everybody, as promised, here's the Zone 5 Promotions Bonecrusher Cross Country Course 2025. Now, the course starts out on the road that parallels the parking lot, not perpendicular to the parking lot. Um, Takes off up here. There is a line to the left we're going to block off, so you have to go this route. So this is kind of where the first little bit of downhill starts. You can get going pretty fast through here. It's kind of fun. But then the climb starts pretty quick after this. It's really not bad. I just show bits and pieces in here. It's punchy, so you'll get section 6 or 7%. I think this one I included was 10. Right as you come up to the top here, it's not bad. There's little jumps like this strewn around. If you've ridden Bonecrusher 2 years ago, this part of the course was definitely in that race. So end of the I guess it would be the west side of the climb. You start coming up on top of the prairie here, and you approach the single lone tree with all the bones underneath it. Personally, I feel like this is the highest point of this climb is right here. Even though the map shows that you have a little bit more, it doesn't feel like you're climbing past here. So if you notice too, the single track is pretty wide. There is room to pass on the climbs. Downhills, it's tougher because everybody's going, twice as fast. But you rip downhill. This is all the west side trail, by the way. Then we'll come up on what is called Gut Punch. And that, again, if you've ridden this course before, many of you have ridden that. It's a bunch of switchbacks. It's a very punchy climb, so for 10, 20 seconds, you'll be putting everything you got into your legs, and then it'll flatten out and let you recover. So it's coming up right here. We go over these two, I don't know, not really jumps, but kind of big berms. And then you can see on the far hill that's the hill that we go up. So that sign right there said gut punch. Again, it's just, I took a couple here and showed an example. So they get punchy, doesn't last very long. They flatten out, give you a chance to recover, and then you're going up again. At the top, we're going to go down Coyote Run. I put a drone video on my stories already. I'm going to make something cool out of that. But there is one little climb here I included. The rest of it is fun, fast, downhill. When you come up, you see the trail going off to the right. So laps will go to the right and finish line will be straight ahead. Hope it helps and see you this weekend.